Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the business world, AI-powered marketing and how it's revolutionizing the way we make money online. AI isn't just the future, it's the present. With machine learning algorithms becoming more sophisticated by the day, businesses are harnessing its power to supercharge their marketing strategies and drive incredible results. Imagine having a virtual assistant that not only understands your customers' preferences but anticipates their needs before they even know it themselves. That's the magic of AI in marketing. Whether it's personalized recommendations, targeted ads, or predictive analytics, AI enables businesses to connect with their audience on a whole new level, leading to higher conversion rates and increased revenue. AI allows us to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identify trends, and adapt our strategies accordingly. It's like having a team of analysts working around the clock to optimize every aspect of your marketing efforts. And the best part, you don't need a PhD in data science to leverage AI in your marketing. There are plenty of user-friendly tools and platforms available that make it accessible to businesses of all sizes. So, if you're ready to take your marketing game to the next level and unlock the power of AI money making, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.